Good morning, students. Welcome to the online video lecture on model transportation. The last bit, that is traveling salesman problem. Okay. In this video, that we are going to discuss the problem faced by the traveling salesman. That is with regarding the cost of his travel as well as distance traveled by the salesman. In order to reduce traveling cost and distance, okay, that we are going to study in this technique, traveling salesman. The main objective of this technique is to reduce the cost of the traveling salesman and as well as the distance. Okay, here the traveling salesman goes from one city to another, visiting each city only once and return to the starting city after visiting all other city. But the cost of his travels, that should be it is minimum, and as well as distance is also there should be it is in minimum. Okay, the traveling salesman job is similar to an assignment problem, except for the fact that is going for one city to the itself meaningless and hence not allowed. Okay, also the solution to be traveling salesman problem should be suggest the best route. Okay, the main objective is to this technique is to suggest the best route to the traveling salesman in order to reduce the traveling cost as well as the distance. Okay, now can go for the first problem. A salesman has to visit the 5 cities A, B, C, D, E. Okay, that the distance he has given in into 10 raised to 2 kilometers. Okay, any two cities are given in the following tables. The salesman starts from A, has to come back to A after visiting all other cities in a cycle. Which route has to be selected so that the total distance traveled by him is minimum. Okay, he can starts with the city A and he has to visit all the cities, then he comes back to again A city. Next we are going to solve by using Hungarian algorithm here. Okay, the first step, it has to be square matrix since the distance from each city to other is given. Okay, introduce infinity for the combination of A to A, B to B, C to C, D to D, E to E. That means for the diagonal elements which has given in the problem, that is he has given nothing in that for the diagonal elements, so that we can fill the infinity symbol where in the diagonal of the matrix. In step 2, okay, in step 2 that we are going to minimize the column. Okay, here 5 columns are there, you can minimize the column. How we are going to minimize the column? In the A, first we can see in the A column we are having minimum element is 3, so that we can subtract 3 from all other elements. Okay, then the A column becomes infinity 1 4 0 1. Next, similarly for B column, which is the minimum element, that is 3, sorry, okay, 3, that is becomes 1 infinity 2 0 1. And in the column C, which one is the minimum element? 5. We can subtract 5 from other elements. Okay, then it becomes 2 1 infinity 2 0. Like this we need to do it for every column. Okay, then that you can call it as column minimization. Next, go to row minimizations. In the row minimizations, go for the row wise. In the A row, which one is the minimum element? 3. We can subtract 3 from other elements. Okay, it becomes infinity sorry, it becomes infinity 1 2 0 0. In the second row, which one is the minimum element? 3. Again we can subtract 3 from the every element. Okay, the second row B, it becomes 1 infinity 1 0 0. In the column, in the row C, again we can delete the we can choose the minimum element is 5, we can subtract 5 from other elements, then it becomes 3 1 infinity 3 0. Okay, do it for the same procedure we need to follow for the row D and E, then we can call it as row minimizations. Okay, step 2, that is we can do it column minimizations and next row minimizations. Next, in the step 4, okay, we need to draw the minimum number of horizontal and vertical lines to cover all the zeros. Okay, here in the step 3, okay, we need to draw the horizontal line and vertical line, minimum number of horizontal line and vertical line in order to cover all the zeros in the matrix. Okay, now we have drawn the two vertical lines and two horizontal lines, so that number of lines are capital N equals to 4 and order of the matrix, as you know, that n equals to 5. Here n is capital N is less than small n. Next, go to step 5. Here now that should be equal, but here it is less capital N, so that we need to make another step, that is from the all the uncovered elements, okay, which one is the least element, okay, which one is the least, subtract that element from the uncovered elements, and while adding same at the intersection of the vertical line and horizontal line. Okay, now here the minimum elements from the uncovered is, that is 1. Okay, we can subtract 1 from the uncovered elements and we can add 1 for the where the horizontal and vertical lines are going to be intersect. Okay, in the step 5, the whatever the matrix you are getting, that is after the adding the 1 to the intersections of horizontal and vertical lines, and 1 is subtracted from the uncovered element. Next, we can draw the minimum horizontal or vertical lines in order to cover the all the zeros. Now it becomes, now here it is how many lines we have drawn, here 5 lines, and your order of the matrix is 5, n equals to n. Next, go to step 6 here. Okay, in the step 6 we can go for assign to the zeros. Okay, go first, that is row wise, as you did in the assignment problem, the same procedure we need to follow here. Okay, we have assigned to the A to B cell and delete the A to E cell, and we have assigned B to C. Okay, and other zeros I have deleted in the row and in the column, and as well as C also. In the C row we have allotted C to E, and rest of the zeros we have deleted. Okay, in the column as well as row. Okay, as you did in the assignment problem, same procedure we need to follow here. Okay, now okay, here we didn't get the assignment in the D row. Okay, and in the 5th E row also we have assigned that is 5 to the 5, because the 0 is already deleted in the C column, so that we have assigned 5. Okay, see here you need to get the alternatives here, so many alternatives. Okay, in order to get the so many alternatives, okay, we need to check. For first alternative we can assign A to D, D to B, next it is B to E, E to C, and C to A, that you are getting 2 kilometers penalty. You can add the all the penalties here. And for alternative 3, that you are getting A to D 0, D to B 0, B to C 1, C to E 0, E to A 0, we are getting 1. And next here it is for the alternative 4, here it is we are getting 5. Okay, now here which one will gives the minimum, that is A to D, D to B, B to C, and C to E, E to A, that is distance traveled by, that is 21 kilometers. Okay, we can choose the distance, that is traveling salesman selected this route, that is minimum distance in he covers all the cities. Okay, that is A to D, D to B, B to C, C to E, E to A. Okay, next here it is second problem. Okay, as you know that in the second problem, traveling salesman, that is from cities to cities. Okay, here the diagonal elements are nil, so that as is the same procedure we need to follow. First we can allocate the infinity sign to the diagonal elements. After allocating, go for row minimizations. In the first row, okay, which one is the minimum element, we can select and subtract that element from the other elements in the first row, and similarly do it for second, third, fourth, fifth. Next go for column minimizations. Here also can go for, that is select the minimum element from the every column and subtract that element from the other in the other elements in the first column, and same procedure we need to follow the second column, third column, fourth and fifth. Next go for assigning process. Okay, sorry, we need to draw the horizontal and vertical lines in order to cover all the zeros. Okay, so that we have drawn here one vertical line and uh, three vertical lines. Your order of the matrix is here 5, but you are getting 4, so that you can again, in order to make the equal, capital N equals to small n, so that you can subtract the smallest element from the uncovered element, that is 2, so that you can subtract 2 from the uncovered elements and add the 2 to the where the horizontal and vertical lines are going to be intersect. Now the new matrix are formed, and draw the horizontal in the step 5, that is new matrix. We want to draw the horizontal and vertical lines for the new matrix. Now we have become the 3 vertical lines we have drawn and 2 horizontal lines we have drawn. Total number of lines are 5 and the order of the matrix is 5. Next go for assigning process, that is step 6. who have assigned 1 to 5, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, next 4 to 1, next 5 to 2. So you see here, if you not allocated to the 0, okay, next go for the minimum element. Okay, in the 4 to 2, okay, that we have deleted the 0, the after the 0 next minimum element is 2, so that we have assigned to the that cell, so that 4 to 1 we have got the best route is 1 to 5, 5 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1, that we are getting penalty is 2, and the total distance traveled is 62 kilometers. Okay, this is the traveling salesman problems. Okay.